Let's see the advantages and disadvantages of mercury and alcohol thermometer. So here I have the advantage and disadvantage of mercury thermometer. First we'll talk about the advantage. It is good conductor of heat and can measure even high temperatures. It gives results quickly, that is it has a fast response time. Okay, it expands linearly and less than alcohol and any other liquid. It is more durable than alcohol thermometer because mercury does not evaporate easily while alcohol evaporates. Okay, it is smaller in size as compared to alcohol. Mercury does not wet the walls of the thermometer, which means that results can be highly accurate. Okay, there are certain disadvantages. Mercury is highly toxic for living beings and the environment if the bulb breaks and the mercury leaks out. Also, it is difficult to clean it and it can contaminate the surface on which it falls or it is leaked. Okay, and it cannot measure cold temperatures. These are the advantages and disadvantages of alcohol thermometer. So here let's see the advantages. It is suitable to measure low temperature because of its freezing point, which is very low, that is minus 115 degrees Celsius. It is less toxic than mercury thermometer and hence a high on safety factor for human and the environment. It has a greater value of temperature coefficient of expansion than a mercury thermometer, and yes, it is less expensive than a mercury thermometer. Let's see the disadvantages. It is less durable because we know alcohol evaporates faster than mercury. It cannot measure high temperature because of a low boiling point. So what is the boiling point? 78 degrees Celsius. So that is one of the disadvantages, that it cannot measure high temperature. And lastly, it wets the wall of the thermometer, which can adversely impact the accuracy of your readings. Last but not the least, we have the digital thermometers. So body temperature nowadays is measured using digital thermometers, which are of course more conventional than the mercury thermometers, right? So instead of mercury, this digital thermometer, they consist of thermistors and another small device which measures the body temperature and displays it on the liquid crystal display, that is LCD, in digits. So here the it gives the reading on the LCD display where the person come to know its temperature in a minute. They what is the advantages? They are mercury free and consist of thermistor. So this is the last slide which I would like you to remember. That's the distinguish between heat and temperature. So throughout the lesson we have studied about heat and temperature. So we should know what is the difference between heat and temperature, right? So yes, heat is a form of energy while temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of a body. The second point is heat is the cause and temperature is the effect, right? Third point, in heat, it is combined energy of all the molecules moving inside a body. While if you talk about temperature, it is only the measure of how fast molecules are moving in a body. That is, faster the molecule vibrates, hotter is the body, right? And also you can mention the difference between them by adding one more point where you can talk about their units. The SI unit of heat is joule and other units are calorie and kilocalories, while temperature is measured in Kelvin, which is the standard unit of it, and other units are Celsius and Fahrenheit. Thank you.